Aspects of Civilization chart. This week, we will be comparing details and information from the various ancient civilizations that we've been looking at. Take a look at these understandings and what you should be able to do, and let's get started. Students will understand that civilizations interacted and changed over time, becoming increasingly complex. Students will also understand that the historical process involves reading multiple primary and secondary sources to analyze ideas, people, and events from different perspectives to make logical inferences and construct stories of the past. Students will be able to read and interpret various historical and geographic sources to analyze information for accuracy and point of view. Students will be able to compare and contrast early civilizations in the Eastern Hemisphere. And students will be able to evaluate the impact and significance of the political, cultural, economic, and technological contributions of key historical civilizations in the Eastern Hemisphere. Now, on to this assignment. You will be researching various aspects of early civilizations of the Eastern Hemisphere. Open the Aspects of Early Civs document below, the PDF, the Word document, or the Google Doc, and read the directions. You will be completing the chart by looking for information in the suggested websites given. Please be as thorough as possible and give specific examples of each aspect of each civilization. I would suggest reading through the chart so you know what information you are looking for, and then start browsing through the websites provided so you get an idea of where you might be able to find the information. Some of the information might take a little digging, so don't give up. Once you complete the chart, upload it into the Dropbox on this page. You'll notice that I've given you some examples of the Nile Valley, so use those to help guide your research. Aspects of Early Civilization. Directions. Across the top of the chart, you will find listed examples of early civilizations in the Eastern Hemisphere. Down the side, you will find aspects or characteristics of civilizations. Your job is to find specific examples of the aspects that represent or help explain how that aspect is found in each civilization. Refer to the examples given. Please use the suggested websites to help you find the information, and you can refer back to your previous assignments as well. Suggested websites to find the information.